Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. So in chapter 3, we learned more about multiplication. Today we will revise the concepts once again and we will discuss the questions in revision station, which is in page number 49. Let's see the first question. The first question is, if there are 156 mangoes in a crate, the number of mangoes in 100 crates is. So you are asked to find the total number of mangoes in 100 crates, right? So 156 mangoes in one crate. So in 100 crates, it would be 156 into 100. We know when you multiply a number by 100, you just need to add 2 zeros to the end of the given number. So that gives you the answer as 15,600. This would be the correct choice for the question. Now let's see the second question. If 225 students, each from 25 schools, participated in a rally, then the total strength of the rally is. So we have how many students from each school? 225. And how many schools are participating? 25 schools are participating. So the total strength or the total number of students participating in the rally would be equal to 225 into 25, right? How do we get the product? Start multiplying the ones first, then proceed to the higher places. So 5 into 5 gives you 25, a carry over 2. 5 into 2, 10, plus 2, it's 12, carry over 1. 5 into 2, 10, plus 1, 11. Now, the 10th digit of the multiplier multiplied by each digit of the multiplicand. So 2 tens or 20 into 5. So for convenience, we are doing 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. I carry over 1 to the tens place. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, it's 5. 2 into 2, 4. So inserting zeros to correct the place values and correct columns. Now adding the two products gives you 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So what is the correct option? It is option 2, 5,625. Let's see the next question. Value of 6 into 99 is equal to. We are given a few choices as well. So we know 6 into 99 can be written as 6 into, what is 99? 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. Now it's easier to find the product, right? We know 6 into 100, which is equal to 600 minus 6 into 1, which is equal to 6. So the correct option would be 600 minus 6, which is option 4. Got it? Now the next question. 18 into 200 is equal to. So this 18 into 200 you have. 200 is a multiple of 100, right? So it's enough that we find the product of 18 into 2 first, then insert the 2 zeros at the right end of the product. So what is 18 into 2? 18 into 2 is equal to 36, and you have 2 zeros and you insert those 2 zeros here and you get the final product. So that is 3,600, which is option 2. Let's see the next question. Value of 56 into 10 into 0 is. We know from the property of 0 of multiplication, any number multiplied by 0 gives you what? 0 itself, right? So 56 into 10 into 0, what is the product? It would be equal to 0. So the correct choice here is the choice 3, 0. Now, the next question. If a car travels 462 kilometers in a month, the total distance traveled by the car in a year is. So here you have the distance traveled by the car in 1 month. What is it? It is 462. You have to find out the total distance traveled in a year. So this is the distance traveled in 1 month. So in a year there would be 12 months. So the total distance would be 462 into 12. Let's find the product. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 6, 12. Carry over 1. 2 into 4, 8. Plus 1, 9. Now the next product, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 6 is 6, 1 into 4 is 4. So it's actually 110 or 10 into 2. So here you have to insert 1 0. Adding the products gives you 4 here, 4 here, 9 plus 6 is 15, carry over 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the correct choice there? It's choice number 3, 5,554 kilometers. That's the distance the car will travel in a year. Let's see the next question, question number 2. You have a chart given there. Given below is a chart giving airfare between two cities. You have the cities listed on the left and the airfare is given on the right. And below you can see 3 questions. Let's see. Based on the above data, answer the following questions. Rahul and his friend are to attend a science exhibition for which they have to travel from Delhi to Mumbai. What is the airfare for both of them? So Rahul and his friend are traveling from where to where? They are traveling from Delhi to Mumbai. Delhi to Mumbai. You have to find out the total fare. So from Delhi to Mumbai, what is the airfare for one person? It is 4,500. So since 2 people are traveling, the total airfare would be 4,500 into 2, right? So it is 0, 0, 5 into 2, 10, carry over 1, 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So what is the answer to this question? The airfare for both of them would be equal to rupees 9,000. Understood? Let's see the next question. Mr. Lal and his wife travel from Chennai to Bengaluru, and then from Bengaluru to Kolkata. Find the total airfare. Here also 2 people are traveling. Let's find out the airfare, the total airfare for one person first. So let it be Mr. Lal. So from Chennai to Bengaluru, he has to pay 2,750 rupees. And from Bengaluru to Kolkata, he has to pay 7,200 rupees. So the total airfare for Mr. Lal would be equal to 0, 5, 7 plus 2, 9, again 9. So for one person, the total airfare would be 9,950. The total airfare, since his wife is also traveling, the total airfare would be equal to 9,950 into 2, right? So 0 into 2, it's 0, 5 into 2, 10, carry over 1, 9 into 2, 18, plus 1, 19, again a carry over 1, 9 into 2, 18, plus 1, 19. So the total airfare for 2 persons would be equal to 19,900. Hope this is clear to you. Let's see the next question. If Mr. Imran along with his 2 colleagues is required to travel from Chennai to Delhi, and then from Mumbai to Kolkata, you have to find out, Chennai to Delhi, then Delhi to Mumbai, and from Mumbai to Kolkata. You have to find out the total airfare. So 3 people are traveling. Let's find out the total fare for one person first. It would be equal to 4,500 plus Chennai to Delhi 6,700, Mumbai to Goa. So it would be 4,500 plus 6,200 plus 6,700, right? So the total airfare for one person would be equal to 0, 0, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 7, 14, carry over 1, 6 plus 6, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 1, 17. So this would be the total airfare for one person. 3 people are traveling. So the total airfare would be equal to 17,400 into 3, right? So 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 4, it's 12, a carry over 1, 3 into 7, 21 plus 1, it's 22, a carry over 2, 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, it's 5. Inserting comma. So the total airfare would be equal to rupees 52,200. I hope this is clear to you. Now, the next question. Estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 100. And you have 3 set of questions. Let's see the first one. Question A, 352 into 172. Yeah, asked to round off to the nearest 100. So let's first round off 352. So rounding off 352 to the nearest 100 gives you 400 into 172 rounded off to the nearest 100. It would be equal to 200. So the final will be 4 into 2 is 8. Then you have to insert these 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting commas. So the final product is equal to 80,000. Let's see the second question. 542 into 642. Rounding off 542 to the nearest 100 gives you 500 into 600 rounded off to the nearest 100 gives you 600. So the final product would be equal to 5 into 6, it's 30. Then these 4 zeros inserted to the right end, 1, 2, 3, 4. So inserting commas to separate the periods gives you the product 3 lakh. Now, what is the next question? Question C, 250 into 265. 250 into 265. Rounding off 250 to the nearest 100 gives you 300, and rounding off 265 to the nearest 100 gives you 300. Let's see the product. 3 into 3 it's 9, and the 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 zeros inserted to the right end. That gives you the product 90,000. So I hope this is clear to you. Please go through the concepts, go through the whole chapter once again so that any doubts will be clear, and go through the revision station questions once again, and you have to complete all the questions. Yeah, you can write down the answers in the space provided for the respective questions, and the rest you can note down in your notebook. Then once you have done that, turn the page, move on to page number 50. You can see the worksheet there. Go through all the questions and do accordingly. So that's all for today. We have come to the end of chapter 3. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic.